In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can fix HVCI problem, which is your account does not meet the following requirements in order to play. Okay, so to fix this so that you can open your Valorant, what you need to do what you need to do first is you want to scroll down, and then in the search here in your Windows search, you want to search for core isolation. Okay, isolation, and then after that you want to click on it. After that, what you need to do is you want to turn on memory integrity. Now just turn it on. If it's not allowing you to turn on memory integrity, that means you have a problem here with your drivers. Okay, so what you need to do is you want to enable it, and of course you will have to restart your own PC. Okay, if you have problems here with your drivers, you will be able to see here view, and then you will be able to see the drivers you have a problem with, and then you can fix it. So like I said, just turn this on, which is memory integrity. Turn it on, and then make sure you restart your own PC, and this message will disappear from your PC. Now you can open a Valorant without any problem. Now if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.